Yes.
Yeah, sorry sir to ambush you in your home at this moment. We just wanted to get a few comments about something. We are journalists.
Oh, you're a journalist.
Yeah.
Okay, I will answer your questions. I'll be transparent because us as the ministry. Yes.
What's your take on this documentary, BBC?
Okay. No comment. Next question.
Sir, but you have said you'll answer all our
Yes.
No, sir.
I will be transparent as much as I can.
How many tear gas were used on that Mandamano? Do you think it has affected in any way on this BBC documentary?
No comment. Next.
What's your take on the witnesses that were speaking or giving their views in that documentary?
Yes, actually, can we try another question?
But sir, you just stated you'll be as transparent as you can.
Yes, I will be transparent.
Taxpayers, we pay you with our taxes.
Yes.
But you have just asked you 3 questions and you are saying next question, no comment, next question.
But I told you guys I'll be transparent as I can.
And sir, you're not answering our question, please, sir.
No,
That's our questions.
I'm answering your questions. As the ministry, we have said we will be transparent enough.
Is it okay for a police officer to beat a citizen who has a legal right of going for Mandamano?
No comment on that.
I've just asked you.
Yes.
What's your take or your comment?
Yes.
On police harassing citizens who have a legal right to protest?
Yes. Yes. Next question. Yes.
No, please, sir. We cannot ask you questions and you're not answering our questions.
And
sir.
you just said you'll be as transparent as you can.
Now, is this
I promise to be transparent. I promise to be transparent, and I'm being transparent enough. Huh?
So why is the government against the BBC documentary?
Next question, please.
No, sir, we cannot continue like this because you're not answering any of our
Guys,
questions, sir.
I think you people, you are not understanding. I'm transparent enough.
You're not transparent.
Guys, next. Are you satisfied? You know, I'm here to answer your questions, right? Guys, kama mko na swali lingine mniulize. Guys, I think I've just remembered something. Yes. As the ministry, as we promised to be transparent,
yes.
I know I've been transparent enough with you guys. If there's another question, you can ask me. But for now, thank you for your time.
Hiyo ndio kitu umekumbuka bwana.